Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and moving straight to Language and Input. This is where input methods live. Once there, tap On-Screen Keyboard, then select the Active Keyboard app, often Gboard on Huawei. You do this because the voice typing toggle sits inside the keyboard's preferences. Disabling it here prevents Google from intercepting dictation. Make sure to tap the keyboard name, not the general input method. This first step exposes the exact switch you need to change. Now you find voice typing or dictation inside the keyboard settings and turn it off. This stops Google Voice services from appearing in any app. You do this because toggles here control background access and microphone triggers. Once disabled, apps will fall back to manual typing. If you see a separate Google Voice typing entry, disable it too, and make sure to switch off any hot word like Hey Google so activation via voice no longer works. Confirm the toggle stays off. Finish by rebooting the phone so the system re-registers the input services. This often finalizes the change. If voice typing still appears, clear the keyboard app's cache and data. This removes residual settings that can re-enable features. You can also disable or uninstall updates for the Google app as a last resort, because system-level updates sometimes restore voice functionality. If nothing works, make sure microphone permissions are revoked for Google Voice services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.